The Hong Kong Trade Development Council, Hong Kong SAR Government and Hong Kong Design Centre jointly organised the 9th Business of IP Asia Forum. Held on December the 5th and 6th, 2019 at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre, the forum featured over 70 prominent speakers and attracted more than 2,200 IP professionals and industry leaders, exchanging views on the challenges and future of the region's intellectual property developments. About 3.3 million IP applications were filed globally in 2018. Applications from Asia stood at 66.8%, a dramatic increase compared to the 50.8% a decade ago. Speaker Hirohito Katsunuma pointed to the rapid developments of IP mechanisms and courts in China. Hong Kong can also bridge the gap between companies from mainland China and overseas.
For the foreign companies, when they file the application in China, they are always afraid maybe some infringement. China also have many courts, many jurisdictions in China. So how to choose the jurisdiction and how to choose the right person who understands the worldwide standard, that is very important issue. Hong Kong people, they have great number of the talented people. They can help and maybe they can give some advice how to solve the problem based on the world standard. That is very helpful for the foreign companies.
The launch of the second edition of the competition IP Hatch Hong Kong remained under the spotlight. The winners from last year shared inspiring stories and how the competition led them onto the path to success.
For the IP Hatch winners, we will provide a whole suite of support, ranging from IP strategy review to business model review and even to assisting them in the technology road mapping in order to create the positive impact that they want to bring to the market as well as the growth that they actually expect. Besides that, we will be also bringing out our ecosystem of network in terms of business connections, venture capital, in terms of connections to multinational companies.
Under the theme, Building an Innovative and Inclusive Future for Businesses, Sustainable Development for IP was under the spotlight at the forum. Kenichi Nagasawa expressed concerns over the rise of protectionism in recent years.
If pro-patent side is too much, many patents are granted without investment. That's a problem for investors to make up a good partnership, global business. Some of the extensive taxes also the preventing for our global communication, global collaboration.
The forum's second day included the Global Tech Summit. Tech industry leaders shed light on next disruptions and identified technologies which will dictate how we live in the future. With artificial intelligence readily applied in different commercial and technological spheres, how can existing laws protect AI-inspired technologies?
AI has the potential to disrupt the patent law and the IP system, and I think it's important that we carefully consider whether the current system is still able to accommodate this new technology or whether there is a need for new regulations. There is certainly going to be a need for harmonization in that field, quick development of this technology.
With the growth of IP trade, demand for talents with relevant legal and mediation training is on the rise. That paved the way for the IP Manager Training Program during the forum for local enterprises to develop their manpower in IP. Hong Kong has long played the facilitator role in the global IP industry, providing an array of services like IP management, technology transfer, and arbitration. The Business of IP Asia Forum explored the future of IP developments from different dimensions and amplified the message that Hong Kong can help firms create new business opportunities with its advantages.